Hello dear student. In this video we are going to learn about different essential oils, their chemistry and uses in daily life. So let us start first with introduction. The essential oil are highly volatile substances which are obtained from various essence found in many plants. These are also called ethereal oils and oil of the plants. The most common examples are rose oil, clove oils, sandalwood oils and eucalyptus oils. Essential oils are highly concentrated form of the natural oils. These are called essential oil because they represent a very essence of the aroma and fragrance of a particular oils. These oils are usually extracted by physical processes such as steam distillations, solvent extractions and cold processings. Essential oil have been used throughout history in many cultures of various medicinal, therapeutical values and their use in various spiritual practice. The most common therapeutical application of essential oil is in aromatherapy. In this therapy, the healing effects are achieved through the aroma of various essential oil. Essential oil also have antibacterial, antiseptic properties. The therapeutical properties of some of the essential oil are listed as, for example, the use of the rose oil. It is used as antidepressant, as an antiseptic and as an antibacterial agent. Similarly, the oil of eucalyptus having the property of analgesic, antibacterial, antiseptic and anti-rheumatics. Similarly, the sandalwood oil is used as an antiseptic, astringent, emollient, sedative and tonics. Commercially, essential oil are used in three basic ways. The first one as a fragrance, which is used in cosmetic, perfume, soap, detergent and various industrial products such as animal feed and insecticide. As a flavor, they are used in bakery goods, candies, confectionery, meat product, pickles, soft drink and many other products. And last application as a pharmaceuticals. These are used in dental product such as toothpaste, mouthpaste, mouthwash and mouth fresheners. So let us start with first essential oil. It is eugenol and it is a member of phenyl propanoid class of compound. This compound is a clean to pale yellow liquid having spicy clove-like aroma. It is a naturally occurring substance and found in oil of clove, nutmeg, cinnamon, and bay of leaf. It can be obtained by steam distillation of freshly grounded cloves. The clove bud contains 80 to 90% of eugenol oil, while the leaf of the clove contains 82 to 88% oil. It can also produce synthetically. The boiling point of eugenol is 254 degrees Celsius, and having this formula. The IUPAC name of eugenol is 2-methoxy-4-propene-1-ol-phenol. The natural source of eugenol is that it found in cloves, cinnamon, sweet basil, tulsi, nutmeg, ginger, clary, and boronwood. It is used in a cosmetic product. In cosmetic, it can be used as a fragrance ingredient in the manufacturing of perfume and flavor. It is used in aftershave lotion. It is an important component of hair care product. It is used in moisturizer and skin care product. Due to its antiseptic and anti-inflammatory property, it is a good local anesthetic for the temporary relief from toothache. It is used in the preparation of mouth freshener. It is combined with zinc oxide to form zinc oxide eugenol, which is used for root canal sealing in dentistry. It is an effective antibacterial, hence is used in the preparation of deodorant and antiperspirant. So it is all about the eugenol. The next one is the graniol. It belongs to terpenoid class of organic compound having formula carbon 10, hydrogen 18, and single oxygen. And this one is the structure of the graniol. The IUPAC name of this compound is Z3,7-dimethyl 2,6-octadiene-1-ol. It will have a Z configuration. The boiling point of this compound is 230 degrees Celsius. It will having pale yellow oily liquid. It has sweet rose-like fragrance with a slight hint of citrus. Its fragrance ingredients are beneficial to skin and hairs. Then therapeutical properties of geraniol. It having analgesic properties, antibacterial properties, antiseptic properties, anti-inflammatory properties, and anti-cancer properties. Natural sources of geraniol. It is a plant oil extracted from Geranius fleshing plant having about 200 species and lemon grass. It occurs naturally in essential oil such as rose oil, citronella oil, palmoresa oil, and lavender oil. Then uses of geranium. Due to its rose-like aroma, it is used in perfume. It is used in flavor like red apple, lime, orange, lemon, pineapple, and blueberry. It is used in personal care products such as formulation of bath product and aftershave lotions. Its fragrance ingredients are beneficial for hair, so it is used in hair care product. It is an important constituent in moisturizer, skin care, and suntan product. It is used in the preparation of lipstick. It is an excellent mosquito and bug repellent. Its antioxidant activity is higher than other essential oils, so it is used in the preparation of anti-aging cream. It is a major component of rose geranium oils. It is also found to slow down the growth of cancer tissue in human and in animal. It has antimicrobial property and used in the preparation of body deodorant. It also have antifungal property, therefore it is used in the preparation of antifungal creams. So it is all about the geraniums. Next is the sandalwood oil. It is extracted from sandalwood and in India it is most commonly called chandan oil. These are obtained from two species of sandalwood, that is Santalum alum and Santalum spicum. The wood of sandalwood is yellow in color and retain their aroma for many years. It is the most expensive wood. The whole of the sandalwood tree from branches to root contains a high level of the sandalwood oil. The content of the oil increases with the age of the sandalwood tree. It is most commonly obtained by steam distillation from dried wood chips of sandalwood tree. The sandalwood are grown in Tamil Nadu, Mysore, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, and Rajasthan state of the India. The main constituent of sandalwood are it contain 50 to 60% alpha santalol, 20 to 25% beta santalol, and remaining part is contains santyl acetate and santalene. The composition of sandalwood oil will depend on the species, the region of growth, age of the tree, and possibly the season of harvest and detail of the extraction process used. It is also used as therapeutical properties in antiseptic, as a astringent, as a ambient, and as a sedative. It is also used as a relaxing and cleansing oil. In daily life, sandalwood oil is used as skin lightening and skin brightening oil. It can promote healthy and smooth skin, so used in preparing skincare creams. It is used in facial and body spas. Sandalwood has sun cream properties, so it can find its use in sun cream lotions. It is used in shampoo and hair conditioner. Its moisturizing ability gives extra shine to the hair. It can also have cloning effect. So it is used in diffused form in rooms and halls. Its smooth and silky body fragrance relief from stress and anxiety. It is also used in sun cream and skin cream for treating acne. Due to its balm and soft aroma, it is used in aromatherapy. It is also used in soap and body wash lotion. It has meditative and relaxing effect, so it is used to relieve from the hypertension. Its application on skin relieve itchings and inflammation. It is most effective in relieving dehydrated skin and making it important component of anti-aging skincare. Its astringent action has great toning effect and it is used in curing the scar of the skins. So it is all about the sandalwood oil. Next is the eucalyptus oil. The eucalyptus oil is the generic name for the distilled oil extracted from the leaf of the eucalyptus. It has clean, sharp and very distinctive smell. It is pale yellow in color and watery in viscosity. This oil is obtained from the eucalyptus tree and having more than 500 species and mainly grown on 300 feet height. The tree of eucalyptus uses a lot of water while growing and it has been used to clean waterlogged land. The main component of the eucalyptus oil is 1,8-phenols, which constitute about 70% of it and contain a number of terpenes such as limonene, terpene 4-ol, pipritone and globulol. Then extraction of eucalyptus oil. It is extracted by distillation of fresh or dried leaf and young twig of the eucalyptus tree. These species such as Eucalyptus kochi and Eucalyptus polybracta, these are the two species which have highest content of eucalyptus oil ranging from 80 to 95% of the oil. Then uses of eucalyptus oil. It is mainly used in cosmetic. It has cooling and deodorizing effect on body, so used in body deodorant and antiperspirant. It has therapeutical properties and help in cough, sinusitis, asthma and throat infection. It is used in skincare preparation for burns, blister, cut and bounce. Eucalyptus oil blended massage oil help in relieving arthritis, rheumatism and anomalic muscular pain. Its oil-based sun cream are used in curing skin eruption. Due to its cleaning property, it is used in toothpaste, mouth freshener and mouth washes. Eucalyptus oil is used to impart fresh and clean fragrance in soap, body lotion and perfume. It is applied to wound to prevent infection. So it is all about eucalyptus oil. Next is the rose oil. It is also called rose otto, attar of roses and rose essence. It is extracted from the petal of the various type of the rose. It is extracted by steam distillation and most commonly used in perfume industry. It has deeply rosy fresh aroma and its color range from clean to pale yellow tint. It is the one of the best all-purpose oil and help to fight against depression, grief, anger and fears. Rose oil contains near about 300 different compounds. The main components are citronellol, phenylethanol, geraniol, nerols, phenol, alpha prime and beta pipenenes. The main component contribute to the fragrance of rose oil are beta damascenone, beta damasones, beta ionones and rose oxide. They are just 1% but contribute more than 90% of the aroma content of the rose oils. Then therapeutical properties. It has antidepressant properties, antiseptic properties, antibacterial properties, nervous system sedative, and has a toxic effect to the heart. Then extraction of the rose oil. Rose oil is obtained from fresh flower. There are two major species grown for the production of the rose. The first one is the Rosa damascena, which is widely cultivated in India, Pakistan, China, Iran, Russia, Syria and Turkey. And second one is the Rosa centifolia. It is grown in Morocco, Egypt and France. Rose oil is extracted from the petal of the fresh flower by distillation process. The heat during distillation is carefully controlled as the aroma can be damaged if the heat is too high. The yield is very less. It is near about 0.02 to 0.05%. It takes about 40,000 kilogram of the rose to make 1 liter of the rose oil. Then uses of the rose oil in cosmetic. It is used in perfume industry for the manufacturing of perfume and rose water. It is used in the preparation of skin moisturizing and hydrating cream. Rose oil based cream and lotion are used to reduce skin redness, broken skin. It is used in skin toner because of its astringent property. It is used as massage oil to boost poor circulation and for general skin smoothing. The hydrosol of rose oil is called rose water, which is used to relieve dark circle around eyes area. It is used for conjunctivitis. Rose oil is used in various cosmetic face mask preparations. It is used to strengthen the gum. Rose oil face cream are used for dry, mature and sensitive skin. Rose oil harmonize mind and used in aromatherapy. It helps dealing with the emotional problems. So it is all about the uses of rose oils.